Hi guys, it's Ruby with Pro Fashion, and today we're going to do a quick tutorial on how to curl your hair with our Icon hair straightener. So I already have it plugged in and it's heating up to the setting that I want it, which is 430 degrees. And while that's warming up, I'm going to separate my hair into sections. We're going to start off by styling the bottom sections first, so I'm going to go ahead and divide that section. Go ahead and clip and separate the rest of your hair. Okay, so now we got the bottom section separated. We're gonna go ahead and divide them into further smaller pieces. I'm gonna go ahead and grab about 1-inch sections. First, you're going to grab your iron pretty close up to your section. We're going to rotate our wrist outwards just enough so that the section of hair is also facing outwards. And you may need a little assistance with your heat protectant glove over here while you guide the iron down your hair. So as you can see, I showed you guys the technique on how to get a curl with the straightening iron on the left side of my face. I'm just going to mimic the technique, but flip my hands and do the same technique on the opposite side. So you're still gonna grab the same size section, and then you're going to still grab your straightener and rotate your wrist outwards. And you're still gonna grab that bottom section. Once you have that, you're going to assist yourself with your heat protecting glove and glide down the rest of the hair. Alright you guys, as you can tell, I've completed curling my hair with the Icon straightener, and it's a simple technique of rotating and gliding. If you can do that, you can also achieve this hair look. For more tutorials with our tools, please visit us at profashionhair.com.